Alright guys, it is cam day, part 1. We got the car jacked up. I didn't show that part, but your shoes get on the silver pieces. Oh boy, an old Chevy Terry. Chevy Terry. We're gonna get cranking. Alright guys, so this is gonna be part 1. I'm pretty stressed out. Kind of stressed out. I got a lot of help though. So this should be fun. This is going to be part 1 of the G8 cam build. So we're just going to do some little things like taking off the air filter, taking off the pulleys, drain the coolant. I hope this radiator doesn't have to get taken out, but we'll see because we're pulling the motor. The hood's coming off. What else we got to drain? Like the coolant, drain the oil, and then right now I'm like taking this dumb guard off. You know, it's just little things tonight. It's like a Friday night. We'll just get all this stuff situated, and then on Saturday or tomorrow morning we'll get this motor pulled out. So that's my goal: get the motor pulled out, and then it's kind of hard work, school, all types of other good stuff going on. Motor's out, then we'll get to taking that all apart. Probably like part 2, taking it apart, like cleaning it all up. Part 3, probably putting all the good stuff together: lifters, push rods, all that, and then we'll get it all put together, get the gaskets on. You know, because we're doing full. Taking off the heads, taking off pretty much everything down to the block, and leaving the crankshaft in there. Here's a pretty easy adjust. Got that. Popped out. It was stupid. I don't know why they did this. Why I get they. So it's all types of clips. There's clips up in here. There's clips all in here, all up in the wheel well. So and they're all connected here. And the person that had this before me, you know, body filled my bumper and it cracked when I did my headlights. So I'm trying to like get all these out. But these bolts ain't even in here. I got one more. Shoot. Of course, that's not the right Holy crap, what was that? Somebody been scraping. Yo, I bet the person that had this before me, I bet they ran this thing all the way up on the curb.
I see it, man, it's all scraped up and all, you know what I mean? It's like...
They had to, because there's a dent here. This is scratched.
But you know what? You pull over them parking bumpers.
I bet they ran that sucker right over. You think I can pull it without getting any oil on my hands?
I don't know. You gotta do it quick.
Nope. Oh shit, I missed it. Frick.
What? Come on, boy. Oh shit.
Let me tell you, I changed my oil many times and I never had it shoot out like that.
I've done that before.
Dang.
I've done it, man.
Brand new floor. Let me just say, what a fun start this has been. Bumper's cracked, which I knew that was going to happen because I just had that piece together. Happened last time I did the headlights. Just I didn't think it was going to do it that bad, but it's getting replaced anyway. Don't worry. I'm not too mad about that. Oh yeah, and people are asking why I'm taking the motor out. It's because the motor, I'm not taking that transmission out. So we're taking the motor out to get to the torque converter, which sits right inside the transmission. So that's why we're doing that. It's going to be easier. We don't have a lift, you know. We're doing this on jack stands. Lord help us. But did I put it back in there? So I dropped the when I just knocked that oil pan out, or when I just drained the oil, put the bolt, I threw the bolt right in the pan, but I fished it out with my little magnet here. We got it though.
Just watch your eyes. It'll burn. It's happened to me before, dude.
I can drop the bolt in here though, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or
just keep it windy.
It's stuck. It's still in it. The bolt.
Right, yeah.
Oh, get out of here. Jesus. It's freaking water. Right now I'm gonna take my air filter off. This is the Roto Fab. If you haven't watched that video, I made a video on how to install it. But I don't know, it's gonna be different for everybody's filters, I guess. Or brand.
Break that off. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Right now, this can go just like that. Okay. Just, wasn't even thinking. I have my airflow sensor on the back of this. You can see it right up in there. Here's that wire. Just disconnect that. I did mine, so you know it looks nice.
You
Neat.
did a whole mess. Just put it in the shed
Oh, yeah.
somewhere.
So now, what's this? The tensioner? Loosening that up. Loosens the belt. Here, I got it. Belt's off. Yikes. Take the whole belt off?
Yeah, you put that in the car.
I should probably buy a new belt, just, you know, give me more tension, right?
I ain't saying that.
Alright, so we're having a little problem with the power steering pump. We took all the bolts out right here, right here. There's a bolt, let me see your flashlight. All the way down there. This one, right there, that bolt. But this little black thing, what do you want to call it? What's that?
The power steering?
Yeah, the steering, what do you want to call it? It's metal, or what do you, copper. So we just bent that a little bit out the way, and then we got to that bolt. Kind of annoying, but and then it slid right out. Bam. So there's a little power steering pump. Let's pop that sucker out. Just give it a little nudge. Holy shit. Alright, so we're just gonna leave that right there. So my man Chef Terry, that's my dad. He's in charge of this. So I'm learning off of him. He's showing me what to take off, what to do. I mean, most of it, I'm good at the building part, like valve springs and push rods. But all this gear, all the pulleys, gears, I don't like.
There,
So we're gonna put the power steering bolt back in place. Yep.
That way we can.
1, 2, just for right now.
Yeah, we'll have to see. Alright, this one here went
Right now, come forward.
right there, right?
Yeah, right up in there.
Okay, so we know where the power steering.
So you see
bolts
disconnect the cam sensor?
go. Yeah,
That is.
cause that's the part of the wire harness.
So now we're gonna disconnect. Oh, see, we can't even get it good. That white clip right in there. Disconnect that one. Yeah, it should just pull right off. That's the cam sensor position sensor.
Okay. Squeeze it, pull it back. Now get my best friend here.
What's his name? Her name.
See that?
And
my-
ew. They always look like that?
What? That's corroded, but we'll clean it up. Dripping on us. See my best friend here do?
Almost got rid of that thing.
Huh? You almost got rid of that? I'd have kicked your ass, boy.
Nice.
See now, look.
How about that? Oh, you want
You want
to
to-
tight? Oh, you just want to put tension on it.
Yeah.
I see what you're saying. All right, grab it. Boom.
Okay. There's your AC belt.
Put the flashlight on it real quick.
So you
that?
just take
Put
your
some tension
socket
on it, and then belt comes right off. So now the rigid wants to work, huh?
All right, just put them bolts back in there.
What is this one? What pulley is this?
That's your tensioner pulley. Get some more.
We can't use too much, you know. We're on a budget. Only bought like 4
You're
cans.
on a budget, man.
4 cans of this stuff. I went to the car in neutral because obviously the garage ain't big enough, so when we pull the motor out, we gotta have room to work on it. You know, I mean, we would. Well, I don't know. Well, nah.
Nah, not with that intercurrent. You said Now we just made another mess. Oh shit.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Damn. We got.
We getting closer, boys. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at the block.
Huh?
You can see the block.
Look. Now here's your time machine cover right here. Huh?
That just shows like everything now. Like, that's like the
You
cam
didn't
is right
realize
there,
that when you
man.
take the water pump off?
Yeah, that cam is right there.
No. No.
Where's the cam?
That's your crankshaft. The cam's up here, dude.
Oh, the cam is right here.
Yeah. The cam is up there. This is your
Oh,
crankshaft.
they gave me new water pump gaskets.
Okay, yeah.
We definitely get all that cleaned up.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna get this block
But-
shining.
Your cam is up here. Once we take this off, we gotta get the alternator off and all that stuff. But what I'm trying to get dry is this floor. We gotta go down and take the starter off. We gotta
Yeah.
take the torque converter bolts off. We gotta do this AC compressor. Since you ain't got no Freon, I don't know, I gotta see. But see, look, this comes down, the wiring harness comes down to the AC compressor. We gotta undo it here. All this wiring harness, we gotta undo it there. Gotta undo this. And then this wiring harness should just pop back over top of this here and flip back. The last thing I want to do is this fuel rail.
Alright, so as you guys can see, the motor's out of the car. This is going to be the next video, so it'll be coming up soon, or it should already be out. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and keep following the vlog, guys. It means a lot.